Welcome to the video tutorial about publishing in Telegram. Now I will tell you how to use this service, create channels, and publish content. To demonstrate, I'm using the app window in the browser and the Telegram desktop app, but you can also use the Telegram web version or the mobile app. First of all, we need authorization in your account. To do this, enter the phone number associated with it. This is a standard procedure for verifying users who try to log into their account from other devices or applications. Wait for the confirmation code and enter it in the corresponding field. That's it, you are authorized. Now your current session is displayed in Telegram and you can always interrupt it. Well, let's start preparing for publication. First of all, we need to choose the channel in which our publication will be placed. You may already have many channels, but let's imagine that you were just starting out with Telegram and you don't have the right channel yet. Let's create a new channel. It is necessary to come up with its name. I will call it Test Channel. You also need to specify the channel type. It can be a public channel for everyone or a private one where users enter by invitation of the administrator. I choose public. The last step is to create a quick unique link that users can use to find the channel. This is a Telegram requirement for public channels only. We create. Done. The new channel appeared in the list of possible for publication. In the Telegram application, it is very easy to add a unique image to a channel by which users can distinguish it from others. I will upload a pre-prepared image. We can see that the new channel is listed and ready for publishing. However, right now I will create another channel to demonstrate the app's capabilities, but this time I will make it private and name it Test Private Channel. I will speed up the process as you already know it. That's it. Now we have two new channels where we can safely start working. We can choose as many channels as we want for publication. Our message will appear in each of them automatically. If a channel has been selected by accident, simply remove it from the list of selected channels. Let's create a message. As you can see, simple tools are available for users to edit and format text. Emojis are added. Any word or symbol can be turned into a hyperlink. You can attach any document and media file to the text, image, video, or audio. If a file is accidentally selected, simply delete it and select a new one. Please note that our app does not impose any restrictions on the size or length of the media file. That is, you can send almost anything to Telegram channels. You can postpone the publication to any time you want in the future. Just choose a time and date and the app will post the message for you. If there is no such need, we publish instantly. We are checking. And here are messages in each of the channels. As you can see, using our application is extremely simple. I hope I have explained the possibilities of the application for posting in Telegram in an accessible way. For any questions, you can always contact our support service at the address in the video description. Thank you for your attention and good luck.